morning, students. Today we are going to start the topic food security. Now, what is this food security and why this food security was initiated? India has been facing food crisis since a very long period. Food crisis means India has to import several pulses, food grains from other countries, and many a times there are people who are dying of hunger, not getting sufficient food grains. So during the Second World War, India experienced a severe food crisis, leading to a sharp rise in the prices of food grains. So whenever there is a food crisis, the prices increases at a very fast rate. So in 1943, Bengal faced a serious famine and nearly 35 lakhs people died of starvation. They were not getting proper food. Whatever food was required, their requirement was not filled. Due to this, they were facing problems. Now, what is food security? So food is essential for living as air is essential for breathing. So due to this, food security was taking place, and food security means something more than getting 2 square meals. Not only getting 2 times meals, but it should also be noticed that there should be completion of nutrition and other vitamins which are required for a particular person. So the Food and Agriculture Organization FAO 1983 defined that food security as ensuring that all people at all times have both physical and economic access to the basic food they need. Means people must have physical and economical access to the food which is required for their body and which can fulfill the need of their person. So the 4 essential components are required in food security. First is food security involves the availability of sufficient food grains. Availability of sufficient food grains. First. Second, people have enough purchasing power. People must have enough purchasing power. Enough purchasing power here means that people must have this physical and economic access. People must have economic access to buy the food which is required for their body, which is the need of their body. Third, food security necessitates timely, reliable and nutritionally adequate supply of food on a long-term basis. Means nutritional food is required not for some time, for a long period of time. And fourth is it also necessitates that there should be a buffer stock of food grains, so that in case of any calamities that can be used. So availability of food grains, purchasing power of people, nutritional requirements and buffer stock. So these 4 points are necessary. Now next topic which we are going to discuss here in this lecture and the last topic of the particular unit is role of Food Corporation of India. Food Corporation of India means FCI. FCI is called Food Corporation of India. What role is played by Food Corporation of India? Food Corporation of India maintains the buffer stock of food grains. This is one of the important role. It has enabled the government to build up adequate buffer stock. Second, with the increase in the level of procurement, the country's dependency on import of food grains has also declined. Due to this buffer stock facility, the country is importing lesser amount of goods from other countries, means country is importing lesser amount of goods. Next, FCI has been able to arrest price declines the unremunerative level. Sometimes for this food grains, to cover up the requirement of food grains, unremunerative level has to be paid. So this is also one of the problems. And FCI has played an important role by building up the scientific storage facility. This scientific storage facility has also improved the country's food grains requirement at a very good rate. Next, it plays an active role in the inland trade of food grains. Through the buffer stock operations, the government buys food grains from surplus areas and sells them in the deficit area. So the FCI plays a very big role in keeping the buffer stock, in scientific management, helping the government, reducing the imports. So in this all way, FCI has given contribution. So here this topic ends. Even with this topic, the unit also ends. We studied today food security. What is food security? As was reduced syllabus, only meaning of food security and role of Food Corporation of India. Only these topics are to be studied. So in our next lecture, we will be discussing about secondary sector, and in coming lecture about tertiary sector. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.